Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you upload content to Pinterest. If you want to upload content to Pinterest, you have to first of all create an account, and after you're done creating your account, you then need to go to the home page, click the plus button from the center of the page, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and select boards. Or you could just go ahead and click on the plus button, or just go to the profile section, tap on the plus button at the top, and you want to go to the collage section. And when you go to the collage section, you want to make sure to go ahead and select the image at the bottom, or maybe take a picture, whatever you want to do, select it. So, and likewise you could go ahead and select add, and after which you could just go ahead and simply add in a captions or any sort of things, and you could also add multiple if you want, and this way you'll be able to upload content to Pinterest. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.